Hello everyone, my name is Hariska Erliviana. My student number is 20247479039. Today, I am going to talk about a topic that I really care about, which is fun and engaging ways to teach English as a foreign language to young learners. This presentation is part of the Academic Speaking for Scientific Purposes course at Unindra, Universitas Indra Prasta PGRI, Jakarta. Let's begin. Here is the outline of the material I would like to present in this chance. The first one is introduction, the second one is focus of the study, the third one is strategies, the fourth one is tips for success, and the last one is conclusion. Introduction. Teaching English as a foreign language to young learner is a challenging activity because we are not only giving information but also creating a fun and engaging environment at the same time. Young learners are full of energy, curiosity, and emotions. In this presentation, I will share 5 effective and enjoyable strategies that can help English teachers make their classes more active, creative, and meaningful for children. Focus of the study. Why should we make learning fun? Why fun matters in teaching English as foreign language? Well, because children learn best when they are having a good time. When learning is fun, children remember more. They feel less anxious and they are more willing to communicate, even if their English is still limited. Fun helps build confidence, which is very important in language learning. These are 5 strategies that English teachers can apply to teach English as a foreign language for young learners. The first one is TPR, that is total physical response. The second one is songs and chants. The third one is storytelling. The fourth one, games and quizzes. And the last one is project based learning. Strategy 1, total physical response. This method involves using body movements and gestures to teach vocabulary and commands. For example, when you say jump, jump, students will jump. When you say touch your nose, they touch their nose. This is very helpful for kinesthetic learners and it builds listening comprehension in a natural way. The second strategy is using songs and chants. Songs help children remember words and sentence patterns through rhythm and repetition. For example, songs like head, shoulders, knees, and toes are great for teaching body parts. And then songs like If You're Happy and You Know It, they will learn some vocabulary like happy, and then clap, and then stomp, and so on. Phonics chants also help with pronunciation. Singing is fun and it activates both the brain and the heart. The third strategy is storytelling. Children love listening to stories, especially when they include pictures and characters. As a teacher, you can tell simple stories and ask students to guess what happened next. You can also ask them to retell the stories in their own words. This strategy builds listening skills, vocabulary, and imagination. Actually, teachers can also use the famous stories like bedtime stories or fairy tales too. Number 4 is games and quizzes. This can include Kahoot, quizzes, bingo, Simon Says, flashcard, and so on. Games make students excited and focused. They also help review previous lessons in a way that doesn't feel like studying. So students are learning while having fun. Project-based learning or PBL is the fifth strategy. This involves group projects like making posters, making mini book, playing role play, presenting a simple research, etc. PBL encourages real world use of English. It also helps students practice teamwork, critical thinking, and creativity, all while using English actively. Now, here are some general tips to make your EFL class more engaging. First, use visual and real objects to support understanding. The second one, if give simple instruction, make it clear and short. The third one is always model the activity first, not by asking your student first, but you don't do anything in front of them. Next, give praise and encouragement often. Then, be flexible. The last one is be responsive to students' energy level because sometimes their energy level is unpredictable. To conclude, fun is not the extra. Fun is essential. Fun and engaging strategies help young learners feel confident, stay motivated, and enjoy the process of learning English. So let's teach with joy, patience, and creativity. Because the happier our students are, the more they will learn and love English. That is all my presentation today. If you have any questions or ideas, don't hesitate to share on the comments below. I will be happy to hear them. I am Hariska. Thank you very much for listening. I am signing off. See you later.